this Astilbe about 6 years ago. Oh, I have a lot of Astilbe over there, and I was digging them up and putting them in pots. But then I saw this one that I didn't, so I just threw it here. And you can see it's done quite well. Once the Astilbe flower goes by, it's just taking energy from the plant by not deadheading them. So I'll go through, and so you can see now how I've partially deadheaded, but look and see how much nicer the plant's going to look when it's totally deadheaded. So there, come for a close-up. And it's just a nice green plant that looks well there.